Hello, this is Gary Schnitkey, and this is a 5-minute Farm Doc Daily dealing with evaluating returns necessary to justify installation of tile drainage. Tile drainage has been a popular investment, and it has many benefits, including more consistent and higher yields as well as timely field operations. In this Farm Doc Daily, we present a method for determining the yearly benefit that must be obtained to require the usually large installation investment. That investment includes the tile drainage itself as well as the installation cost. In this example, we're using a $1,000 installation investment, and we also need a discount rate, and we're using 8%. Which is roughly the cost of agricultural debt or interest rates on agricultural debt currently. If debt is not being taken, then we could use as a discount rate our desired rate of return. We're using 50 years of life in this example, and that 50 years of life, once you're at 50 years, it doesn't matter. 50 to 100 will have roughly the same yearly benefit. We then calculate the yearly benefit by using the payment function in Excel. And given the three parameters above, $1,000 installation investment, 8% discount rate, and 50 years of life, we come up with the yearly benefit of $81.74. That means that every year for the next 50 years, we must receive at least $81.74 to justify economically the $1,000 investment in tile drainage. That $81.74 translates into a corn yield increase of 18.2 bushels per year if we're using a $4.50 long-run corn price. Soybean yield increase would be 7.8 bushels per acre, and that's 7.8 bushel value is based on a $10.50 long-run soybean price. Those yearly break-evens are sensitive to the interest rate, and recent increases in interest rates have raised those yearly benefits. Last year, we would have probably been using a 4% discount rate if we were coming close to agricultural debt, and that would have lowered that yearly benefit from $81.74 down 43% to $46.55. This methodology does not include tax considerations, and there will be tax considerations from the depreciation shield or Section 179 expensing offered by the tillage investment itself. The tax considerations would also include the tax shield from interest payments and also would include tax liability from any yearly benefits. There would also be debt considerations that need to be considered in a more complete framework. However, if you include those items, usually the break-even value doesn't come out that much differently from the yearly benefit from this simple formula. Those yearly benefits will be obviously sensitive to the investment cost or the initial investment and the interest rate. Those two are the biggest things that influence that yearly benefit. You can read more about this in the Farm Doc Daily, linked in the video description.